Welcome back to Home Voyage Inspirations channel. If you are dreaming of a garden space that feels timeless, romantic, and full of character, you are in for a treat. Today, we are diving into vintage garden ideas, perfect for anyone who wants to add a little old-world charm to their backyard or patio. Whether you are working with a small space or a full-size yard, these ideas will inspire your next garden makeover. So, let's step into the world of nostalgia and natural beauty. First, a hallmark of vintage garden design is the use of antique or distressed furniture. Think wrought iron benches, patina finished bistro sets, or even old wooden rocking chairs with chipped paint that tells a story. These pieces instantly create a nostalgic atmosphere and offer a cozy spot to sip tea or read a book. Mix and match furniture styles for that imperfect, lived-in feel. Look for flea market finds or repurpose indoor pieces for the outdoors. The keywords here: try vintage garden seating, shabby chic garden furniture, and antique outdoor decor, perfect for 2025 search trends. Nothing screams vintage like ceramic pots, bird cages, and enamel watering cans. Accessories are the soul of a vintage garden. Use weathered urns, sundials, lanterns, and garden statues to layer in history and charm. Even a rusty trellis or an old ladder can become a stunning vertical garden or rose support. These small touches bring character and storytelling to your space. As you're searching for inspiration, use keywords like vintage garden accents, shabby garden accessories, or cottage decor garden details to see what's trending on YouTube and Pinterest in 2025. A vintage garden often feels like it belongs in a Jane Austen novel, and that's largely thanks to the choice of plants. Think English roses, lavender, peonies, hollyhocks, and foxgloves. These soft, romantic flowers add fragrance, texture, and visual nostalgia to the landscape. Layer plants of varying heights and let them sprawl freely to create a relaxed, timeless feel. Avoid anything too manicured. This year, vintage flower garden ideas and romantic cottage garden are rising in popularity, so plant accordingly. Vintage gardens thrive on creativity. Use old doors as garden gates, repurpose a vintage bathtub as a flower bed, or hang old picture frames from trees to create whimsical garden art. These DIY elements give your garden a custom, soulful touch. It's all about breathing new life into forgotten items. Use trending SEO terms like DIY vintage garden hacks, repurposed garden decor, and vintage upcycled outdoor ideas for extra inspiration. Use cobblestones, antique bricks, or gravel to build quaint garden pathways. Add a small pergola draped in vines or a secluded bench surrounded by florals. These inviting nooks capture the essence a vintage charm, and encourage you to slow down and enjoy the outdoors. Lighting also plays a huge role. Choose warm, fairy lights, candle lanterns, or solar-powered vintage lamps to add a cozy, golden glow as the sun sets. These elements are perfect for the rising trend of vintage garden at night searches. And there you have it, your guide to creating a vintage garden that feels like a step back in time. Whether you are just adding small vintage touches or going all in, your garden can become a peaceful, nostalgic retreat right at home. Don't forget to like, comment below with your favorite idea, and subscribe for more exterior S&D interior house inspirations. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, and happy gardening!